want 60 FPS, but you can't get it on that stupid app, or you're having audio sync issues, or it's just lagging, this is for you. I got you. Okay. This is what I do. I don't have any problems. Okay. First things first, though, do not use the Insta360 Link Controller app. Don't use it. Okay. It's trash. It don't work. Okay. It don't use it at all. Okay. Make sure it's shut down. Make sure it's not opening in the background. So that means checking your task manager. Make sure it's shut down in there. Okay. Completely. Check your tray. Make sure it's not in there. Okay. Don't use the Nvidia streaming or recording app. Screw that too. Don't use the Nvidia one either. Check your task manager. Make sure it's not running in the background and it's closed. Check your tray. Make sure none of that crap is on. Right. We're all here for OBS anyway, right? At least 90% of us. I mean, so just make your video capture device. Okay. Make sure you're using, I think this is like 80% of people's problem. Make sure you're not using the virtual camera. If you're using the virtual camera or you think you need it for your green screen and shit like that, man, no, you don't. Just you can do your green screen in OBS. It's just as good. I got faith in you guys. You guys can use OBS. You don't need the virtual camera. Okay. Make sure you have Insta360 Link 2 just selected. That's what you want to use, not the virtual camera. This one. All right, guys. And then go to hit custom. Okay. 1920 by 1080. And then boom, it'll show your 60. There's your 60 FPS right there, guys. Okay. That's how you get it. I know the Insta360 app won't let you do it because it's got issues, and I'll just pretend like an app don't exist, to be honest, because that's trash, complete trash. And then I use MJPEG or whatever for my video format, but I don't even know if that helps. But if you're having issues and you're using H.264, change it back to the MJPEG, okay, and see if that helps. But I'm pretty sure you'll be fine. So again, do not use the virtual camera, guys. Use the regular one, all right? And I mean, look, I mean, you're good. You're golden, right? Okay, so next, if you are having issues still, I recommend opening up the Insta360 Link Controller app and go to your settings and then go to About and uninstall the Link Controller. Okay, uninstall this junk right here. If that last resort, this could probably be what's going on. Uninstall that crap. Okay. And they just use it default. The camera's good, guys. It's really good. I mean, don't use the audio on the camera either. Just don't. It's trash. Don't just use, your headset mic or your Yeti, whatever you got. Just use, the audio. Unless I mean, if you really have to use the audio off the webcam, then like I hope you don't have issues. But you know, right now I'm golden. I have no lag, no audio issues. No, I get my 60 if I want. And 19 by 20 or 1080 by 1920 by 1080 looks great, by the way. I mean, you can hardly tell when you're just using it as, a little square for your streaming or whatnot. Like, again, 90% of us are using OBS anyway, correct? So there's that. But last resort, uninstall that link crap. Make sure you're not using the virtual crap. And yeah, you'll have your 60, okay? And you can go right back to 4K if you need to. I mean, it'll boom. There you go. Yeah. And if you go to properties, you'll see that it changed it. It's the auto select, it went to 30. But that's to be expected, right? So 1920 by 1080, 60. Okay. Boom. We are good to go. Just like that, guys. And again, use your other audio or whatnot. Don't use the Nvidia app. Don't use the Insta360 app. Don't use any other app. Just get it as bare bones as possible. Because, like I said, it's a great camera. Don't take it back just because the software's trash. But I hope that helps somebody. If it did, like, subscribe, KRASH Project out till it's over.